Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. So, Mahesh, can you also hear me? Hi. Hello. Sorry, my internet got disconnected. So, you guys can hear me, no? Okay, okay. Okay, Rajni. So, I hope Shamaz, you also can hear me. So, so before moving further, I just wanted to know what you guys know about data analysis and what is your technical knowledge, because I have to start from there only. So for that, this needs to be a little bit more interactive.
Mhm.
The
Actually, your voice is very low. Can you speak little? Increase your volume, please.
Yeah, now I've increased it. Now is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay, no. So I just uh, I will just repeat my question. I just want to know what are your technical expertise and how good you people are at these kind of things like SQL, Tableau, Python, Excel.
Actually, I don't know about these ones. I little bit know only Excel. because
Okay.
I use only Excel for my daily routine work.
Okay.
I am working as a senior material analyst, but I don't know about the BI, Tableau, and SQL and
Hmm.
advanced level of Excel. So I want to learn these tools.
Okay.
Then I
Okay.
can apply in my field at management level.
Okay. Okay. So, got it. Got it. So basically, your technical knowledge is not is means you want to know all those things, है ना? You want to start afresh.
Yes,
Okay, great, Shamas, great, great. So, and Rajni, if you can, if you cannot speak, please write it. Okay, same thing here. I also know about Excel. Okay, 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 okay. So, basically, uh, what is data analysis? It is a department of computer science which is in very demand. And but we need to, before moving further, we need to know why it is in demand, and why people are moving towards data analysis, and suddenly why there is so much of a spike in the jobs of data analysis, and why everyone is moving towards it, why it's a buzzword uh, presently in IT. So, actually, what has happened is in last 10 years or so, lot of data has got created in banks and social media, in fintech companies, and a pattern analysis kind of thing has started. So, uh, companies have moved to analyze those data, to inspect those data, and to model those data to discover some useful information, draw conclusions, and support their decision making. So that is why data analysis has got importance, and companies have got results also. So data analysis consists of two parts. Firstly, we need to fetch data, we need to get data. That is also data analysis. And secondly, we need to interpret patterns, trends, and relationship within data sets. So that is the second part of uh, data analysis. Okay. So I will share the syllabus, and we'll see how we are going to proceed in all the what we call subjects. Okay, so you guys can see my screen now. Hello, hello. You guys
Yes,
can.
we can see.
Okay. So this is the syllabus. We are going to cover all those things. Uh, this is 60 days daily session. Course consists of Excel, which basic and advanced are the two types of Excel which we are going to cover. Then MySQL, Tableau, R, and or Python programming. So we will be starting with the MySQL only, and after that we will going to Tableau. Post that we are going to go to Excel, basic and advanced, and then we are going to R or Python, whichever programming language do you choose. Okay. So these are some basic Excel techniques, which I think sorting, filtering, I think you must be aware of. Then after that, we have some advanced Excel formula, like we look up HLOOKUP. Then we have the if statements, the sum ifs, count ifs, and all. Then we have pivot tables, charts and slicers, and we have got the macros. So basically, uh, all the things except macros comes under basic Excel only. The uh,
Hmm.
the things which are covered in advanced Excel are VBA and macros only.
Hmm.
So actually, uh, Microsoft Excel, when it was built on the platform of Visual Basic only. So,
Yeah.
so the programming which you do in Excel, the clicks and all this sorting and all, in the backend, Visual Basic is being going on, है ना? It is being implemented. So you are just using a GUI of VBA, Visual Basic. So when suppose few things are not there in Excel, so those things are implemented through Visual Basic, है ना? Through macros. So that is what advanced Excel is all about. Performing, you can define it like performing those functions which are not available uh, in Excel. So, Shamas, you want to say anything or have any doubt, or you want to know anything about this course?
Only there's no BI here because most of the company extract data from BI. So I also need little bit knowledge of BI.
See,
There's no BI here.
yeah, you are talking about Power BI now.
Yeah, yes, Power Business Intelligence,
Hmm. No, you are talking about business intelligence as a whole or Power BI as a software.
not software. Only to get the data to manipulate data in BI, right? And extract in Excel or SQL from SQL.
See, Power BI is a software,
Yes,
है ना? It is of Microsoft only, है ना?
yes,
And we have over here Tableau.
yes. W.
Both are more or less same only. Tableau is of
Okay.
Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
Tableau was Tableau originated around 2004.
Yes.
So earlier only Tableau was present, है ना?
Right. Right.
And Power BI has been implemented in 2015 or 14, I guess.
Right.
Huh. So Power BI is new as compared to Tableau, but being associated with Microsoft, it has got a great market share in recent past.
Mm-hmm.
So both are more or less same. If you want, we can change it to Power BI also.
Mm-hmm.
Tableau or Power BI is an option. है ना?
Okay.
We can switch it to Power BI also. है ना?
Okay. Okay.
And there is option between R and Python also.
Okay.
Okay. So,
What is our programming fundamentals?
sorry.
What is our programming fundamentals?
See,
Which software?
R is a language.
Okay.
Like Python is a language. R is also a
Yes.
language.
Mm-hmm.
R is a open source language. You don't need not to pay anything like Python only. है ना?
Yes.
R has very
Only.
good libraries in data science for
Okay.
statistics.
Mm-hmm.
Its use comes in statistics. It has brilliant libraries in what we say statistics.
Python. Okay.
Python also has, but if you compare, if you give marks, है ना, in
Mm-hmm.
statistics, you can say Python. I will give 6.5 marks to Python, and I will give 9 marks to R.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, so R has such good libraries in statistics, but
Mm.
we are not going to do such advanced type of statistics. So for us, basic for in basic programming, we talk about Python is good, and
Yes.
Python is supported by all the middleware also. So
Mm-hmm.
Python is good. Uh, I
Yeah.
think.
Nowadays, Python is more famous.
Yeah, Python is lot more famous than R because of its many reasons. See,
Mm.
it is very easy to use.
Yes.
It is just like writing English only. It doesn't
Right.
have many syntax and all. है ना?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It is an advanced form of language, but it is very easy to use. If you
Mm-hmm.
want to see, I can show you.
So these are free software to download.
See, R is free, Python is
Mm-hmm.
free,
Okay.
and MySQL, the version which we will be using is free.
Okay.
Tableau is not free. Power
Okay.
BI is not free.
Right. Right.
Excel, you know.
Mm-hmm. Is free.
uh,
But
uh, uh, and Tableau and Power BI, what happens is they give free license of 15 days.
okay. Okay.
So 15 days is more than enough for us to start and learn it. है ना?
Tableau.
Yeah.
हाँ जी हाँ. Yes.
After that, after that they give a version of Tableau which is free. I'm not getting its name. It is for learners only. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting its name. So for in that you can practice, है ना?
Mm-hmm.
But for a complete version, they give 15-day free trial. So
Oh,
15-day trial is more than enough for us.
right. Right.
Hmm.
So how do you teach us with the project? We will start some projects or some
See,
data. Data.
yeah, with data only. We will start with data. है ना? We will, what we will do, we will start with MySQL because
Mm-hmm.
it is quite complex as compared to other things. है ना?
Yes.
We need to know how data is extracted. है
Right.
ना?
Right.
So what we will do is we will firstly we will get a data of you can say uh, a, a 10 million rows.
Hmm.
No? Out of that, suppose there is some superstore. Uh,
Hmm.
we want to fetch some data like what is their sale on first of every month.
Yes, yes.
We want to make a report of that. Uh,
Hmm.
and now the superstore, its name is ABC. Uh,
Hmm.
it has given all its data of all its store in all the states of United States. Uh, and there are, you can say, 500 stores, and
Hmm.
all its sales data they have given. So
Right, right.
it will be of around a million rows. Hmm.
Hmm.
Out of that, we need to fetch the data. We need to fetch sales of only first of every month. So
Hmm.
we want data of 12 days.
Hmm.
So how we will get? We have to fetch that. We have to sum that. No?
Right.
So for that we can't do that in Python. We can't do that in R. We can do it in Python, but the process is will be very lengthy.
Hmm.
We can't do this in Tableau if data is very long, very large.
Hmm.
We obviously can't do in Excel. Your Excel will be hanged, for such amount of for such large data. है So we can do that in only MySQL. So that is advantage of MySQL. It can fetch any large amount of data
Okay.
within seconds. Yeah, in
Hmm.
Python, if you will do that kind of transaction, no, it will take
Hmm.
uh, a few minutes
Hmm.
to get the data. Tableau
Oh.
also will Tableau or Power BI will also take some time, but
Hmm.
MySQL is going to give within a second. So
Hmm.
that is the beauty of MySQL. It is
Okay.
a bit tough to learn, but
Hmm.
once you learn it, once you are master of it, you will enjoy.
Hmm.
Yeah. So now coming back to your question, we will start with such type of data. We will see how queries are run in MySQL. We will see
Hmm.
that in a practical manner. We will see a few queries, 15 to 20 queries, of which are recently asked during interviews. Because
Hmm.
queries keep on changing. है ना?
Right.
Yeah. There is one website we are going to practice the queries over there. They give the queries which are presently asked in interviews, basically in this FANG companies. Mm. Those are
Hmm.
trendsetters, those companies. Your Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Google, because they want quality data analyst, and they come up with a different set of queries for each and every interview, and after that it becomes a trend, and companies uh, which are not in such large companies, they ask those similar type of queries only. So we are going to practice those. Then after that, once we become thorough in MySQL and we can fetch the data, we are going to analyze that in Tableau. Then we are going to go to Excel, and then we are going to Python or R. Okay.
Yeah.
So in MySQL, we are going to fetch the data. We are going to clean the data. Then
Hmm.
in Tableau, we are going to analyze that data,
Hmm.
and then we are going to learn Python. We can do all those things in Python also.
Hmm.
We can fetch the data also. We can analyze those data also. We can draw some beautiful what we say graphs and all, graphs, charts,
Mm-hmm.
research, everything in Python also, like
Mm.
do in Tableau. Okay,
Okay.
so I think your question is answered.
Mm. Yeah, they are the ones it should.
So this is SQL. So
Mm.
we have primary key and foreign key, very important concept. Then we have SQL transactions, the asset properties and all. These are the basics, you know, which is required, but we are not going to read too much of theory because we are going to practice this. You know. Then DDL, DML, all these are query languages only.
Mm-hmm.
Then Tableau, what is data visualization, how these are used. Then the joins, basically joins are uh, common in SQL and Tableau. Those are used to join the two or more than two tables.
Mm-hmm.
Then charts and all. Then some basics of R and Python.
Mm.
So this is our syllabus. If
Right.
you see the things which things are common in R and Python,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
it is because these are both are similar type of languages only.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Okay. So this is it. I think if you want to ask anything, mm, I can answer. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Rajni, if you want to say anything, you can write it on chat only. I think we are good to go. Mm,
Yeah.
we will go on.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Take care. Bye.